So I just got home from the gym, and it's about a 20-minute ride, and I got to go do some work now. But I can honestly say that AMINO CHARGE, man, it really got me through tough spots, you know. Usually when I'm low carbs and trying to do, you know, a whole leg workout and trying to go low reps and stuff on the leg press, you know, usually I run out of energy. I mean, I'm able to get through my workout, but I just feel so drained, you know. And then afterwards, it's a wrap, you know. I don't feel like I could be productive, and I usually have to push myself to go through the rest of my day, go to work and stuff. And you would think, you know, a pre-workout product, something like that has caffeine in it, you would think that it'll give you the jitters, you know, have you all shaky and stuff. But honestly, when I was working out, the energy felt smooth. It felt natural, you know. I didn't have no jitters. I didn't have no shakes, and then I didn't feel nervous like I usually do. You know, like I said, I'm very sensitive to caffeine, very sensitive to any type of stimulants. But this felt real good, man. And I just noticed it's got 3 grams of glutamine in it too, which a lot of times I usually end up combining, you know, 2 or 3 different products to get everything I need. And I never get something that's got a little caffeine, you know, a little energy boost, unless I'm prepared to deal with, you know, my sensitivity to it. But this pretty much covers all the bases, man. And it's got a lot of aminos in it too. This AMINO CHARGE is for real, man. It's legit. So they don't have it here just quite yet. Luckily, I was able to get an imported version. But for those of you that are overseas that can get it, try it out for yourself, man. You don't have to believe me. But this will be something I'll be using, you know, during my workouts, especially as I get closer to the show, have low energy levels, you know. It's a good product, man.